Most dangerous routes on the planet. Zojila is a high mountain pass at an elevation of 3,528 meter, that is 11,575 feet above the sea level, located in the Kargil district of Ladakh in India. This strip of rock is not the place for a Sunday drive. It's said to be one of the most treacherous passes in the world. The winding road is 25.8 km long, located within the Himalayas mountain range. The long and the winding road offers hell of an experience which challenges you and puts your riding skills to test. The pass links amid Leh in the western Himalayan mountain ranges and Srinagar and provides an important link between Ladakh and Kashmir. Transfăgărașan, Romania. The second highest road in Romania that earned the moniker Best Road in the World when it was first featured in an episode of Top Gear. Built as a military route in case of an invasion in the 1970s, the road connects the two tallest mountains in the southern Carpathians, Moldovanu and Negoy. The reason that Transfăgărașan is called risky is because you have to change gears every 3 or 4 seconds, and nobody tends to be around to enforce the 40 km/h speed limit. Dalton Highway, Alaska. The Dalton Highway is one of the most isolated roads in the world. If you can drive this road, you can pretty much drive anything. Portions of the Dalton Highway may be temporarily closed due to road work or inclement weather. Traveling this farthest north road involves real risks and challenges, and it can be dangerous because the highway is essentially just a gravel road, reduced to zero visibility, enormous potholes, and extreme Arctic weather. The giant trucks that ply the route kick up huge clouds of dust, reducing visibility to zero. Driver needs to be aware of mammoth potholes. There is also freezing Arctic weather to contend with. Khardungla, India. Khardungla, at an elevation of 5,395 meter, 17,582 feet above the sea level, is a high mountain pass located in the Ladakh region, Jammu and Kashmir. The narrow dirt road to reach the pass was built in 1976 and opened to motor vehicles in 1988. It's one of the highest motorable roads in the world. The road is not paved, and with the frozen mix of ice and dirt for a road, it makes one slippery and narrow trail with very deep valleys right next to you. Death is just a mistake away from you here. Yungas Road, Bolivia. North Yungas Road is known as Death Road for all of the reasons you would guess. Driving up or down this 43-mile 69-km switchback is extremely perilous due to fog, landslides, cascades, and cliffs that drop 2,000 feet at every turn. The road seldom gets any wider than 10 feet, and many crosses stand as memorials to those who have perished there. Nearly 300 drivers were killed every year until 1994. It's no wonder it's got the nickname. Atlantic Ocean Road, Norway. Atlantic Road runs across an archipelago of small islands and skerries in Møre og Romsdal country. Is 8.3 km stretch between Kristiansand and Bird. The road connects Averøy Island with the mainland. The whole experience slightly resembles the feeling you get when on a roller coaster. The road is completely serpentine, twisting and turning, dipping and arching over the very often imposing waves. Le Passage, Dugois, France. Le Passage, Dugois, France, a treacherous road that leads from Beauvoir-sur-Mer on the French mainland to the stunning island of Noirmoutier, doesn't look dangerous at all. But let me warn you before riding here. It floods twice a day. Le Passage, Dugois sometimes known as Lee Passage de Goa, is a world-famous natural wonder. However, the passage floods twice every 24 hours and so can only be driven on a few hours each day before the island is sailed off. More often than not, the Passage du Gois lies hidden beneath 4 to 13 foot thrashing waves. The length of the road makes it all more dangerous because if you are caught in the floods, it can be very difficult to reach dry land before the entire stretch becomes chest deep in water. The Island County Bridge, the one that you came here for. This is Deception Pass in Washington and it is not shaped like this. So how did this image came into existence? This is a glitch of Google Earth which surfaced the bridge in form all over the world. Despite the fact that it is not real, the bridge is actually dangerous as there are no fences to protect you in case of an accident. So drive on your own here. Tianmen Mountain Road, China. Located within the Tianmen Mountain National Park in northwestern Hunan Province, China, the Tianmen Sha-Big Road, also called the Tianmen Winding Mountain Road, is 11 km long from the bottom to the top. The highest point of the road is at 1300 meter above sea level and the lowest point is 200 meter. The road is incredibly narrow and winding with extremely narrow tunnels. This road, which spirals rapidly upward from 200 meter to 1300 meter above sea level, offers a view of a long winding road which looks like a dragon ascending from the mountains. At the top, there's Heaven Gate, a natural rock arc that was believed to be the link between the gods and the mortal world, awaits. The scenery is extremely beautiful, but taking your eyes off the road for a second may take you to actual heaven. Col de la Bonette, France. Col de la Bonette is a high mountain pass at an elevation of 2715 meter above the sea level located in the French Alps near the border with Italy. It is situated within the Mercantour National Park on the border of the departments of Alpes Maritimes and Alpes de Haute province. The road is totally paved. The climb begins quite easily, but suddenly after La Chantnet and Les Rocas, the slope becomes more difficult. The hardness of this climb, it's not the steep, it's the length. On the last part of the climb, on the monument of Cime de la Bonette, the percentage becomes wild, arriving to 10% slope for nearly 1 kilometer. So if you are planning to go on one of these roads which feels like riding a roller coaster, then remember to grab your seat belts and subscribing this channel so that you can be safe and receive the notification of new videos we upload every day here.